There's a powerful yet rarely discussed visualization approach, one that directly engages your third eye. Why does activating this center matter so profoundly? Because connecting through your third eye isn't merely about picturing goals or desires. It actively opens gateways into other dimensions of existence, rather than being confined by the familiar limits of your daily life. You're extending your consciousness outward into the limitless expanse of universal energy. When your awareness stretches outward like this, abundance naturally streams into your reality. Your vibrational energy elevates significantly, and the universe effortlessly reflects your new frequency back to you, creating the tangible sense that you've shifted into a completely different dimension. Let's reframe this idea. You are a multi-layered being, continuously existing across numerous realities, even though you're usually only consciously present in one. When you look at existence from a broader perspective, the notions of past and future dissolve. They become simple reference points along a continuous flow of existence. Typically, manifestation methods involve pulling something from a perceived future state into the present moment. But imagine if you had the power to instantly place yourself within that ideal future. You've likely heard the powerful saying, "You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are." So, how do you embody your dreams? By deliberately adjusting your inner frequency to harmonize completely with the life you wish to experience. You might be asking yourself, but how can I practically accomplish this? The technique itself is beautifully serene, yet remarkably potent. Begin by fully focusing your awareness on the area surrounding your third eye. Before initiating your visualization of specific dreams or ideal outcomes, it's essential first to calm your internal dialogue. You can effortlessly enter this peaceful state by anchoring your attention on your breathing, consciously observing each breath becoming deeper and more rhythmic. As your breathing naturally settles, your mind gently clears, ushering you into a calm state of mental stillness. With your mind calm and your thoughts clear, now deepen your focus even further on your third eye area. As you hold this steady attention, you might feel a gentle, comforting sensation, a subtle buzzing, a soft pressure, or perhaps a pleasant warmth. Gradually, this sensation will intensify, signaling that you've established a strong connection and are perfectly positioned to proceed with the visualization. At this stage, consciously awaken and energize this powerful center. Imagine each breath moving your inner energy upward, smoothly channeling it toward your third eye, as if you're gently ascending beyond the physical realm into a higher state of awareness. Picture yourself standing before an energetic portal, a radiant, cosmic doorway shimmering with infinite possibilities. Maintain your rhythmic breathing, continually elevating your energy, holding your awareness steady at your third eye, feeling deeply anchored within this elevated frequency. As you persist with this practice, you'll soon observe a remarkable transformation. Your third eye region begins radiating a clear, luminous glow. What does this newfound brilliance signify? It symbolizes the activation and awakening of your true inner essence, your energetic core coming vibrantly to life. This intensifying glow is your confirmation that you've successfully engaged your third eye, channeling and amplifying your internal power toward greater possibilities. Now, at this transformative juncture, envision a vast, glowing gateway gently unfolding right before you. Witness it growing brighter, more vivid, and inviting, symbolizing your transition into a new reality, one rich with boundless opportunities, overflowing abundance, and experiences that profoundly reshape your life forever. Before diving deeper, I want you to feel completely at ease. If clear visualization seems difficult right now, know this is perfectly normal. Clarity isn't immediate. It's gently built through steady and patient practice. Becoming proficient with this technique is all about nurturing a consistent habit. That brilliant inner illumination will gradually sharpen into focus. If it's currently hazy, it's simply a sign your energy hasn't fully aligned yet. Trust the process. With gentle perseverance, your vision will soon become vivid and clear. If you feel uncertain about this visualization or find it challenging to maintain clear images, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm here to offer tailored guidance, specialized exercises, and practical advice designed specifically to enhance your visualization clarity. When this vibrant internal glow becomes distinctly apparent, you'll intuitively sense you're ready to embark on the extraordinary adventure known as dimensional traveling. After unmistakably sensing this glowing inner portal, the next step is wonderfully straightforward. Consciously set a heartfelt intention to pass through this luminous gateway, directly entering your ideal future reality. But how exactly do you do that in practice? It involves vividly imagining yourself already immersed within your ideal future. Take a pause and genuinely reflect. What future genuinely inspires joy and excitement within you? How would your dream life look, sound, and feel? Perhaps you're enjoying serene moments in your dream home, exploring exotic places with loved ones, or confidently delivering an inspiring speech in front of a captivated audience. Whatever scenario resonates most deeply, immerse yourself fully in the vivid details. Visualize the people around you, the setting, the actions you're taking, and most importantly, truly feel the emotions of that future self. Emotions are not secondary, they're essential, forming the energetic resonance that magnetizes this reality directly into your experience. Stay deeply connected with this visualization, and you'll notice the glowing portal growing clearer, broader, and more vivid, almost as though you're observing your ideal future through a crystal clear window. Allow yourself to witness this future scene play out before you with absolute certainty that this is not merely a fantasy, but the authentic reality you've deliberately chosen and crafted. Here comes the truly exciting part. Take a deep, focused breath upward toward your third eye. As you exhale, visualize your consciousness effortlessly leaving your physical body through this energetic gateway, seamlessly stepping into the exact future scenario you've envisioned. If you imagined yourself driving your dream car, vividly feel your hands gripping the steering wheel, sensing the luxurious interior around you. If you saw yourself relaxing in a beautiful home, feel the comforting sensations of your surroundings enveloping you. Or if you pictured yourself confidently standing in the spotlight, deeply embracing the thrill of achievement, internally affirming, "Yes, I've arrived. This is my moment." Now that you've crossed into this exhilarating new dimension, picture yourself exploring a vivid world entirely shaped and guided by your intentions. Reflect deeply and honestly. What actions will you take first? Who are the people you'll eagerly connect with or share meaningful experiences alongside? Maybe you're sharing an unforgettable moment with your soulmate, positively impacting countless lives, or fully savoring the richness of abundant success, joy, and fulfillment. Allow yourself to immerse deeply and authentically in every aspect of this envisioned reality. The more vividly you experience it, and the more regularly you practice this visualization, the faster your energetic frequency will align and harmonize with your ideal future, powerfully accelerating its manifestation into your life. Now, let's gently guide ourselves back to this present moment. This final step is essential to fully anchor your visualization. Begin to draw your awareness gently inward, breathing deeply and slowly. Feel each breath filling you with calming energy, and each exhale smoothly returning your consciousness into your physical surroundings, grounding you firmly into this moment of reality. Keeping your eyes gently closed, place your left palm comfortably over your energy center and softly rest your right hand atop it. Notice a comforting sensation as your energy descends and firmly roots itself within your root chakra, providing a profound feeling of safety, stability, and groundedness. Think of this simple gesture as locking your visualization into place, ensuring your intention is securely woven into your current experience. I first discovered this incredible visualization technique during a time in my life when I was deeply exploring personal growth and manifestation. Honestly, it came to me in the simplest way. Through consistent practice, right at home, in my quiet moments of reflection. Yet, despite its humble beginnings, it quickly proved itself to be among the most transformative practices I've ever experienced. With regular use, you'll likely notice remarkable shifts in your manifestation results, often multiplying your outcomes by 10, 100, or even 1,000 times beyond what you initially imagined possible. I genuinely wish you joy and abundant success as you dive deeper into this transformative method. Please, give it an authentic try. And if this video touched you or opened new perspectives, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Also, I'd truly love it if you'd share in the comments where you're watching from, as well as any experiences or insights that arise. Your interactions and stories are incredibly meaningful to me. And if any questions arise, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'm always here to support you on your journey. Lastly, if you're new here, I warmly welcome you. This is our dedicated second channel, created specifically to help you master effective manifestation techniques, practical life strategies, and powerful accountability practices, all carefully designed to help you build the life you've dreamed of. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss the uplifting new content that awaits. Thank you deeply for joining me today. I look forward to connecting again very soon. Namaste.